Now that we're in the pandemic times and actually just coming out of it, it seems like we're still going to be doing a lot of Zoom, a lot of video where we are meeting remotely with our partners and with our communities. So people ask, how do I be more enlivening, I guess you might say? How do I make it easier for myself? My answer to that is to put on your smile, to feel down into the core of who you really are, know what your message is, and be comfortable. Obviously, there's some technical things you could do, like have a good seat and have a good eye availability by looking at the camera lens. So there's some actual tips that can help your listeners be more engaged. But for you to be more engaged, I say just be happy with what you've got to give to your community and to your group. Even though it's a dry report, it's still, you get that opportunity to be more of yourself. Yeah. So, and to get more lessons on how to be more of yourself when you're speaking up in public, look up Doreen7steps.com and find me there.